don't do that.
The video's on. Hey, we're going camping.
We're going camping.
We're going camping. Let's go.
Camping. Let's go. It's awesome. And this is Love. Hi, I'm Love. I have sparkly hair and I'm a girl like Via.
So we're about to go now. We're just waiting for mommy.
What? Now the car. And the last one again.
Mommy.
Hi, baby. Hello.
Okay.
Everybody here?
Dad? Like
Yep. Check.
Mom? Present. Via?
Yeah.
And Matt the gamer. Always present.
Okay, so where are we going?
Inks Lake.
What are we gonna do, Via?
Cat.
Camping. Our first time camping in the US. Okay.
Let's do this. Boom. Hi. So 15 minutes into the drive?
Actually, no.
Go.
What was that?
Bugs. Look at the windshield. Yeah, look at the windshield.
Oh my gosh. My video was in the wrong direction.
Gross.
Jaden would be horrified. We killed like 10 bugs.
So we hit some road work, some construction, so it's not moving now. Kids are sleeping and we still have an hour and 16 minutes to go.
Oh, like, I was just
Stop over here at 7-Eleven. So we're here at Inks Lake.
You see that blue part? That is the lake.
No, this part is the lake, the blue one. That's a trail. Come on. No.
eat this! And then I run.
6, 5.
4, 3.
2, 1. No mess.
No mess. Correct.
I have no mess.
No mess for you either?
No one has no mess. I got a mess on my mouth.
Logan, you want a drink?
No.
Oh, I'll get your water. No mess still? Why are you still wearing your helmet?
I don't know.
Hey, still no. It rained there. Yeah, we're like that. Yeah, he likes it.
He does?
I just suck all the meat out of the tail and then I'm done with it.
Yeah, and the tail. Yeah, all of it.
Picture of this craziness.
Is it really now?
Oh my god. Chocolate. Go.
Hot.
熱いね、危ない。
No, please make me one. Yeah, please make me one.
取るの難しい。よいしょ。取った。
Morning. I got you. Go.
Everybody look this way. Hello.
You ready to go?
Olivia.
カクタスのとこ登ってる。
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
Did you see any animals, Via? Did you see?
What's your weakness?
Where?
What's your type?
Can you-
Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive.
Okay, wait.
We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive.
Okay, we just finished our hike. And then we went to freshen up in the bathroom. Now Matthew's awake. And now we're headed to get some
Ice cream.
ice cream. So everyone is there.
There's a couple squirrels over there. Okay? Yeah.
What you eating?
Ice cream.
Careful to the phone now, because she's been in the one side.
Go finish it.
Just very little. There, I have to my house. Thank you for saving me.
Twix. Yahoo. What do you want, Matt?
Everything except the vegetables.
Ketchup, mayonnaise. What you doing? Mm. How's the burger?
In here.
So we're about to go home. So we're gonna pack up. We just had our lunch. It's gonna be another 2-hour drive. The kids are tired, so we're gonna go. Gotta pack the bikes.
Bye, Inkslake. Bye, Inkslake.